Konnichiwa, Roxanne des. It's day 2 of our 12-day journey in Japan. And I didn't film a whole lot yesterday because we went to a lot of places that don't like it when you film. So I got a little bit of footage here and there. But we had fun. We went to all the Sega buildings and we went to Taito and won stuffies and got lots of gachapon, and we went to Yodobashi camera and big camera. We didn't buy anything there yet. We bought some like snack stuff and some medicine at Don Quixote and big camera. We also went to Super Potato. And we went to Gachapon City, but it was closed, so we'll have to try again. Maybe they were on vacation or something. Plus, it was a holiday yesterday, so they might have been closed for the holiday. And we also went to Don Quixote, which was pretty cool. And so, yeah, we had a lot of fun. And today, the only thing that is planned is going to the Pokemon Cafe. We have a reservation for that at 12:15. We're going to try to find something that involves less walking because we probably walked about 6 miles yesterday and pretty tired. Don't want to do that again today. Let our bodies recover. Might go to like a movie or something. We'll see. Haven't figured that part out yet. But hopefully I can take you along on most of that. Here is today's breakfast drink from 7-Eleven. Zach had, I think, the same thing, except he had the black version, and this is the latte. Yum! Hopefully I can drink it all. From Akihabara, you'll need to walk to the Kanda station, which is probably about a 5 to 10 minute walk, and you'll take it to Nihonbashi. That is where the Pokemon Cafe is located. That's fun. As soon as you walk in, this is what you're going to see. The painting, and then this cute little Snorlax in this foyer area that has both the Pokemon Center and the Pokemon Cafe. I found Mr. Mime on this wall. He's there. Zoom out. I guess all of them are up here. All 900? I don't know. You'll order your food with this touchscreen. And you can change it from Japanese to English, so that way you can read the menu items. And there is a ton of stuff to order. There's also a lot of souvenir glasses and souvenir plates, depending on what you order. So there's the version that comes with the souvenir plate and the version that comes without it. So depending on what you want. I want that giant Snorlax. I'll sleep with him and cuddle him. You get to stay in the cafe for 90 minutes, so don't waste time. We are at the Pokemon Cafe, and I'm wearing my Pokemon dress, which is pretty cool. Mr. Mime is my favorite character. I'm so glad they had him. But now I can't mess it up. That is my Gengar grape smoothie. And this is what, Ditto? Ditto fruit tea. Ditto fruit tea. Oh, it's so cute. I don't want to mess them up, but I have to, I guess. Gengar. It's good. It tastes like grape. Here's my brunch. I'm not sure what he's made out of.
I got my Snorlax plate. He's sitting on grass. Looks like chicken, maybe some teriyaki sauce. And his belly is full of rice.
He's got rice for brains. You get to pick a special prize for every drink you ordered, and these are what we got.
Roxanne missed Pikachu. She didn't get to hold his hand. Too late.
We got this Jigglypuff, some kind of cake. Oishi! Unfortunately, I shot the Pokemon Center with the GoPro that decided to die. So I rescued what footage I could, and these photos were all I could get out of that footage. So I hope you enjoy. But as you can see, there's lots of cool stuff at the Pokemon Center. You definitely want to go to at least one if you go to Tokyo. Of course, there are tons of them. At least 6 that I know of, because we've been to 6 different ones. And you'll love it if you love Pokemon. Here's all the shiny Pokemon cards I got from the Poke Center. Can't see that one because of the glare. There we go. I actually don't know much about them, so hopefully there's some good ones in there. This was the only Mr. Mime thing they had in the whole Pokemon Center. Wow! Should be more than that.